If your energy in a sales conversation with a potential client says, I need this, they'll disappear. For sure. Neediness is silent, but it sure can be felt. Shift your mindset. Next time you're talking to a potential client, try something like this. Mr. Prospect, I'm okay if this doesn't go anywhere. I'm just here to connect with you and get to appreciate you a little bit more. Is that okay with you? That simple shift creates unbelievable reactions. You will be amazed how much more people trust you when you don't need them to. That's the ironical part of it. So do yourself a favor. In the next sales conversation you have with a potential client, try what I just shared with you and watch what happens. Watch how the energy actually shifts on behalf of the potential client to one of trusting you more than ever before. It's that darn simple.